suçlu. Yol bana iletiştim. I'm a rebel just to get some. Let me kick it like it's 1986. Yol bana iletiştim. I had your feelings still.
Hold on. Can we switch the language?
Eestlane on loovutuin ja veidi aeglane, mitte et ma miskit halba öelda tahaks. Vähemalt ta tunneb, kes on ta vaenlane ja ma ei pane seda üldse mitte pahaks.
Väljajalu jooksen kodus kruusa pealt, oksa püsti kruusa pealt, ronisime neljakesi männikuul. Ema karjub, et me tuleks alla männikuul. Loomad, linnud, sama suured sääsed, vinisevad minu käest ei pääse. Laks, õnnelikult metsa sees, mul ei ole palju vaja, olen metsamees. Metsamees, metsamees, metsamees,
I'm a good looking rapper, I ain't trying to stunt. I'ma follow my power like Donald Trump. Where you at? Where you at? Can let's get this kid up in your back.
Maybe I'm foolish, maybe I'm blind, thinking I can see through this and see what's behind. Got no way to prove it, so maybe I'm lying. But I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Don't put your blame on me. Don't put your blame on me. Oh, some people got the real problem. Some people out of love. Some people think I can solve them. Lord heavens above. I know prophet or Messiah. You should go looking somewhere high. I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Don't put the blame on me. Don't put your blame on me.
see oli Spectacular Productioni ideaalne näide, nii et tehke järgi oma stuudioga. Järgmine aasta palume siis kõiki Productioniga võistlema.